It can be incredibly frustrating when you are highlighting data and that quick balance sum suddenly vanishes from the bottom of your Excel window. On laptop, this usually happens for a reason, maybe a turned off your data is not readable as number or a specific Excel mode is active. So sometimes the status bar setting get toggled off by accident. So how you can fix it? For this you need to right click anywhere on the bottom of your Excel window. Look for sum and here is the sum. You just need to click that and you will see that a check mark is over there. And now it should be reappear instantly when you are highlighting two or more cells. Moreover, Excel cannot calculate a sum for data. It thinks it is a text. If your numbers are imported from another system, they might have a hidden apostrophe or to be formatted as a text. So first you need to check your numbers have a small green triangle in the top left corner of the any cells like this one. Now highlight the cell, a small yellow warning diamond will appear. Click it and select convert to number. So this may be the main reason that why your sum is not showing at the bottom of your window screen. So this may be the reason that your sum is not appearing in the status bar at bottom. So I hope this video helps you. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.